I see you watching me, steady hating and shocking me. Now open up your eyes and realize ain't no stopping me. I shine, and I ain't even got no chain on, but get too close, it's lights out. Flame on. I see you plotting me, steady thinking about dropping me. You better ask around before you think about stopping me. I shine, and I ain't even got no chain on, but get too close, it's lights out. Flame on.
Tell them that you saw me on the north in the trap. Putting on for my city, bumping Biggie in that lag. That beat got a knock in the speakers.
What's up? We here again. It's 704 School. We out here with Flamosis Jones himself. What's going on, man?
You know me, just chilling, man. Birthday party. I'm about to turn all the way up, man.
So it's your birthday, man. It's going down?
Yes, sir. All day.
Alright, okay. So tell the people a little bit something about what you got going on, man.
I've been working a whole lot, man. I got this music shit popping on Firehouse, man. Firehouse NC, LO, holla at your boy. Flamosis Jones Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Flamosis Jones Reverb, man. Holla at your boy. We doing big things out here. I got my man Phase One. I'm working on his mixtape, you know what I'm saying? Got my man D-Class from the 3-3, up top LO. Holla at your guala, man. We do this all day long, man. But I got that mixtape coming real soon for you. J. Flames, aka Flamosis Jones. Don't get it wrong, man. You know what I'm saying? But Dutch Pass, that's how we do it.
And what's your single you working on that thing, man?
I got that single Flame On. They got your boy J Hunt on there. Big around the city, you know what I'm saying? Big around Charlotte.
So where you looking to go with this music thing, man?
Man, well, I'm trying to go. I just want to put my message out to the people.
Okay, what's that?
How I did it in my hood, man. I know y'all done heard of Hidden Valley. If y'all look that up for Charlotte NC, all my people, we got big credentials, man. We do this, dog. It's really real around here, you know what I'm saying? So that's how we doing. I just want to put my word, how I came, how my point of view, how I saw it from my side, you know what I'm saying? That's how I do it.
Okay. So it's your birthday, man. It's going down. I see you doing big things out here, man. So any shout outs you want to give out, you know what I'm saying?
Man,
you want to say for the people?
I want to give a shout out for real to everybody. Everybody watching this, you know what I'm saying? Good looking for clicking on this mofo. Make sure you go check out everything I got. That's Flamosis, FLAMEMOSIS, man. Forget the rest. But if you want to add it on, it's Mr. Jones. Let's go all day long, man.
Okay, so let these people know where they can check you out, man. Where can they find more of your music, more of what you got going on?
Man, you can check me out at reverb.com/Flamosis Jones. Or you can check me at facebook.com/Flamosis, just Flamosis. But I got all the new music. I just did a single with my man Phase One last night, matter of fact. Yeah, he can tell you more than I can. Oh yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the birthday boy, man. It's going down out here. We got Flamosis Jones. We got motherfucking Phase One out this bitch. What's going on, man?
Chillin', man. Just keep dropping shit with this nigga. We got the equipment back.
Okay.
We right back at it like we supposed to.
Oh yeah. Well, like you never left. You know what I mean?
Like I never left, man. Bounce back.
Okay, tell us a little bit about what you got going on.
Well, we gotta get the marketing ready for really next year, because this year pretty much over. We don't want to do too much. We don't want to put too much out there without the, releasing of the album and all that. So we getting the package together. We want to deliver a good product. We like the solid.
Okay. So I know y'all been doing big things, working together, and y'all got a lot of projects coming out or whatever. Any singles they can look out for from both of y'all?
It's a lot of singles. It's not just one, but like you told you before, Flame On. That's a big one. You know what I'm saying? It's big around the city. Also, I got Flow So Hot Out There. It was on the Jeezy mix. It was DJ Fahrenheit, you know what I'm saying? It was with a DJ.
Shout out.
And then it's really the whole album. Cause we didn't just do like 16 songs. We did like 50, and then let the people choose what they like the most.
So what would y'all tell the people out there that's up and coming artists that's trying to do their thing out here, that's really trying to get out here, that's trying to, you know what I'm saying, get their promotional thing going on? What message would you guys send out there?
Man, hold on, for real. All the little homies out there, man, is trying to do what we trying to do for real, but we still trying to do it, you know what I'm saying? I tell all of y'all, make sure you stay on. I know every rapper say, you know what I'm saying, strive to do it and keep doing it and stay persistent. That's real talk, man. If you won't do it, know that I'm up working late night. Know that this man up working late night, just so we can be better than who you think that's the best, man. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna do it just the way that you should do it. So if you trying to be where we trying to be at, then that's higher than the top, man. You just gotta get it in, man. Grind more than you sleep, man, and that's what it is.
Well, you guys heard it first at 704 Scoop. It's going down. We out here with Straight Bullets. Flame Moses Jones. It's his birthday. It's going down. Turn up, man. We out here with Phase 1. We doing it. We doing it. So y'all fuck with us at 704 Scoop. Let's go down.
Pushing this chick bush, you rich, nothing to lose, a sick crook. Now watch me move, I take it back, watch the shoes. Give me your watch and shoes, I don't hop no obstacles. I pop a hostile dude, send flowers to the hospital. All these cops for you, but I wouldn't see